Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Alchemy API key security. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by creating an account on Alchemy's website. Once you've signed up, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the section labeled API keys. Here, you will find your unique API key. Copy the API key to your clipboard. Next, open your code editor or development environment. In your project, locate the file where you wish to implement the Alchemy API. Paste your API key into the designated area of your code. To authenticate, you will need to include the API key in your requests. If you're using JavaScript, use the Fetch API for making requests. Construct the request URL, ensuring it follows the Alchemy API documentation. Include the API key as a query parameter in the URL. Set the appropriate headers in your request. Common headers include content type and accept. Prepare the body of your request if it's a post request. Make sure to format the body data as JSON if required. Send your request and await the response from the server. Once you receive a response, check for any error messages. If successful, parse the response data to use in your application. Handle any errors gracefully by implementing error checking in your code. Now that your API key is integrated, proceed to test its functionality. Run the application and verify that the Alchemy features are working. You've successfully authenticated with Alchemy API key security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.